we're gonna be working on the Crash Z. Christian's already taking it apart. Chingón, pinche Chris. Because if we start fucking with that car, this shit's gonna stay right here. So, we're gonna work on this car first till we finish it.
Break time.
Break time for the troquita. Now I think the troquita we work on it on weekdays, a little bit on the night, and then this car weekend. So it's the weekend. Trying to give this car some attention, but it should be quick, la neta. I have all the parts already. I have the hood. That's the old hood. We have the fans. We got the radiator support right there. Ahí está el culero. Those things are really expensive. If you guys own a Z, you guys know that those things are like 600 bucks. And then we have the fender right there. And then I got a couple bumpers for the car. Mira nomás. I got one exactly the same color. Shout out to a homie that gave it to me. I was towing some dude in a Z. And then he's like, bro, I'm gonna park this car out. And I'm like, bro, let me get the bumper. He's like, yeah, take it. So I took it off. And then I have another one right here. And then another one right here. So, and then I have a side skirt. Same color, but I don't need side skirts. And then, ¿qué más? ¿Qué más? That's pretty much it. We got the other Z right there. Before we start putting the front end together, this motor has a leak right here by the sandwich plate. Right there by where the oil filter goes. We gotta clean it off and then see what's up. And then I have another box inside the house. Let's go get it and then I'll show you what I got. We got our second camera installed. I'll show it to you guys right now. And then, so this is one right there and then this is the other one. But this is what we got for the Z. Chingón. So there's one camera right here in my doorstep. Shout out to the compa Angel for installing them for me. Whoops. Vamos a ver qué pedo.
Oh shit, brand new?
Brand spanking new. It's gonna make the car look pretty good. So yeah, we got the brand new headlights. Alright broskies, so far the car is coming out better than expected. It's already looking like a brand new car off the lot. Alright broskies, we're having a little issue right here with the hood. Everything is pretty much on. We had to bang out the fender right here. Looks pretty good. Got a little bit of gap right here, pero no hay pedo, we'll fix it. Right now we're trying to make the hood close, pero esta madre, I think the latch has to go up a little bit. El Chris already made the hole a little bigger to get that latch a little higher. Looking good, no pasó nada. I got lucky when I got the bumper and the hood and the fender the same color.
Same color.
Yeah, there's the old hood. Where's the old fender? Oh, acá está el culero. This fender is not that bad, it's just a little too fucked up right here, pero ahí está, pinche yonke. A ver, vamos a ver qué pedo, a ver si es cierto. No. We got it to work. Turns out this thing was bent. And it was like right here, so this shit was hitting like right here, so it wouldn't let the hood go all the way down. So when the hood was hitting this, it was bringing this shit down like that. So ya jaló esa madre. Shit was funny. So now I think we just gotta wire up the fans, throw power steering, throw antifreeze, bleed the system, and it should be good. Alright, broskis, I think 1 hour later, mira nomás cómo quedó. Nothing happened to this car. Sheesh. Hood and bumper line up pretty good. Damn. Damn, doggy. Ta perro el pinche Chris. Mira nomás.
Faster than I thought.
Yeah, that should took us like an hour. It took us like 15 minutes, but then 45 minutes trying to get the latch to work. Chingón. Hell yeah. So, ¿qué pedo? ¿Lo vendemos así o should we white body this bitch? That's the real question now. I don't know why. I kind of want to just...
It doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad, way. Just because it's all one color. Same color. Same fucking color. Ya lavadito se va a ver chido el güey. ¿Lo rifamos o qué pedo? I don't know. You guys think I should raffle this thing or should I just post it up on offer up Craigslist, Facebook? It's not a bad car, la neta. It's already manual. Ferrari red racing seats. ¿Qué más quieren, cabrones? I think I need to get some better wheels. Or probably find some stock wheels and leave it like that. Just wash it y vámonos, fuga. Hacerlo billetes if I want to keep this car. You know? What do you guys think, broskies? Alright, broskies, the Z is pretty much done. I have it already loaded up because I sold the car already. So I'm gonna take it to the new owner. Luckily, I didn't have to wide body it. Some dude came, he's like, I'll take it as is. I'm like, llévatelo. So I got it all loaded up. I'm gonna strap it down and then take it to him. All right, broskies, I'm on the way to the new owner. Unfortunately, he's not at the shop where I'm gonna drop it off, so you guys aren't gonna be able to meet him, but ni pedo. I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the Z content. It was pretty easy. Quick little flip. I made a pretty decent profit for the month that I had the car. Time to look for another Yonki to flip. So let me know down in the comments what other car you guys want me to get. I'm pretty much down to buy any car as long as I can pretty much flip it. So leave me some suggestions what cars you guys want me to like work on, what cars you want to see me get. You guys know I read all the comments, so leave me a comment, drop a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.